equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS17B. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The MSI MS17B may experience static issues, often caused by a failing component or poor connections. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further damage or even complete device failure. To tackle this problem, you will need a screwdriver set, anti-static wrist strap, and a soft cloth to protect the device's surface. Begin by ensuring the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove the back panel using the appropriate screwdriver, taking care to keep track of the screws. Once open, locate the failing component, typically the RAM or hard drive, which can be identified by its position on the motherboard. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the component, applying minimal force to avoid damaging surrounding parts. Remove the faulty component and replace it with a new one, ensuring it fits snugly in place. Reconnect any cables, making sure they are secure but not overly tight. As you reassemble the device, double-check that no screws are left behind and that all components are properly seated. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent static issues from recurring, ensure your laptop is kept in a dust-free environment and consider using a surge protector. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.